Now guys, if it had been declared the variable a, to this variable, initially I am assigning the 1000 value to the a variable. So this 1000 will be come and sit inside the a variable. After which guys, I had declared the one more variable by specifying a name of the variable called a b. Now please try to understand. Assignment operator, right hand side. Whatever the data, the value present inside the a variable, guys, why do you think so? I am giving to the b variable. No, b will be having whatever the data, the value present inside the a variable. Now guys, if you think out, a is having initially the 1000, this is the 1000, the value I had assigned to the a. Now the data, the value, that is the 1000 present inside this a variable, I am passing, I am giving to the b variable. Now guys, please try to understand. System.out.print, a print statement, you print the data value present, that is the 1000, the 1000 will be a printed. Now guys, similarly, if I try to print system.out.print, a print statement, you print the data value present inside the b variable. What it printed? The 1000 will be printed. Now guys, please try to understand. This is what we call, the technical in the fancy word, pass by a value. The data, the value present inside the one variable, that is here inside this a variable, 1000 is the data value present. Guys, you are passing to the another variable, that is a b variable. This is what we call, guys, passing the data, the value present inside the one variable into the another variable. So this is known as pass by value. Finally, guys, if I print a and the b, so a will be a printed 1000. So whatever the A is holding, that is 1000, we are passing to the B. Guys, if you are passing to the B, so B is holding the 1000. See, 1000. Now if I print B, if I print A, 1000, the 1000, it will be a printed. Now guys, in this case, okay, now in this case, please try to understand. I had passing the 100, that is the initial value present inside the A to the B. If I print A and the B, the 1000 and the 1000 will be a printed. Guys, in this case, I would like to people to carefully observe over here. Assignment operator, a right hand side. Guys, here the 2000 is initial value I am assigning to the B. Now, please try to understand, guys. If I try to print a print statement, you print the data value present inside the A variable. Similarly, if I try to print the B variable, now, guys, 100 A will be a print 1000, because this 1000 is the initial value had assigned to the A. After which, if we try to print B, now in this case, guys, B will be print the 2000. I know, guys, people are trying to say that people are getting the question. Here in this line, you had passed the 1000 to the B, no? But guys, here you had passed the 1000, this 1000 to the B. After which you people, what were people doing? Guys, coming to this line, you are assigning the new value to the B variable. It means one variable can store only the one value. Please try to understand, guys. If you are trying to store the different value inside the same variable, here initially this 1000, okay, will be replaced with the 2000. Now finally, if we try to print, B will be a print 2000. Guys, here the B will be print 1000, after which you are assigning the 2000 another value to the B variable. Okay, here the origin, see one thing, the original value of the A will be not changing. Okay, now guys, this is what we call pass by value, but in this case, your original value, that is the 1000 for the A variable, is not changing. Okay, pass by a reference. Guys, here once you clearly notice over here, I had created the class called the car. Within inside the class, car has a name, car has a number of the seat, car has a cost. Like these are the properties of the car where I had handled through specifying the particular data type. String name, int, number of the seat, float, or cost. Creating the class in the Java, it is the imaginary, guys. Objects are real. So within the main method, I had created the object. See, assignment operator right hand side, I had specified the new keyword where JVM will get activated. Guys, by looking the car, the name of the class, by looking this name of the class a car, JVM will create the object within the heap segment like this. See, the JVM will create the one brand new block of an object with the address assuming the 1000. Now, guys, after object is created to the a car, the name of the class, coming to the left hand side, guys, you're specifying the reference variable. What do you mean by the reference variable? Reference variable are the such a variable which store the address of an object. See, guys, here the object is a created. See, this object is a created, address is the 1000, right? This 1000, it come and sit inside the a variable, reference variable. So reference variable store this address, the 1000 inside it, and immediately is a pointing to my entire object. Guys, within the object, name, number of the number of the seat, instance variable. Guys, this instance variable inside the see here inside the class, like these instance variable, they are come and sit allocated inside the object. Now guys, please try to understand. After creating the object, okay na, then specifying the reference variable called a, then guys, reference variable dot operator to the name, I am giving some name of the car called Maruti. So this Maruti, the collection of character enclosed within the double quote, will come and sit inside the name. Similarly guys, reference variable dot operator, number of the seat, guys, the number of the seat, the initially I'm assigning 5, so 5 is the number of the seat. Similarly guys, reference variable dot operator, a cost, I'm saying the cost of the car, that is 8.66 float, in a floating point I'm giving the value. Now guys, please try to understand, you are creating the object, after object is created, to each name, number of the seat, cost, you are assigning the value. So these respective value, guys, will become and sit allocate inside the each reference variable. See, Maruti, number of the cars, a number of the seat, a cost. Now, please try to understand. Finally, right now, finally, if I try to print system.out.print a print statement with the reference variable dot operator, if I go inside the object, if I try to print the name, what is inside the name? Maruti. Guys, the Maruti will be a printed the name of the car. Now similarly guys, reference variable dot operator, if I go inside the object, so I will get this number of the seat. To this number of the seat, I'd assign the 5 is my number of the seat inside the car. So finally, if I try to print, guys, number of the seat, it will get printed of 5. Now, if we are printing the each name, number of the seat or cost, it will be a printed on output screen. Finally, guys, if people are getting the desired result as the output. Now, one thing I would like to people to clearly observe focus here. You created the class called the car. Inside the class, you specified the properties of the car. Guys, within the main method, you created the object, reference variable. Reference variable dot operator for the each property name, number of the seat car. You had assigned the respective value to the your properties of the car. Finally, guys, people are printing now. I want you people to carefully to observe over here in order to understand what do you mean by the pass by a reference. Guys, car a B. It means I am creating the another reference variable called a B. Now, please try to understand. Assignment operator, right hand side. guys, here pass by reference. See, inside the a reference variable, whatever the address present, you are passing to the another reference variable called a p. Guys, this is what we call pass by a reference. I'll repeat once more again. You are creating the another reference variable called the p. Guys, you created the object for the car. After creating the object, you are giving the one reference variable called the car A. That is the first reference variable people had given. Now, after which, what you are doing? Car B. So another reference variable you people are creating. Just another reference variable people are creating. Assignment operator right hand side. The address present inside this A reference variable, that is 1,000. This 1,000, the address present inside this A reference variable, guys, you are passing to the another reference variable called the B. It means in Java, guys, you can have one object. See, guys, you can have one object but multiple reference variable. How? See, you are having one object for the car object you created. Guys, you are having one reference variable A, another you created the B. Now, what you have done? This address present inside the a variable, that is 1,000, guys, you are passing to the b another reference variable. Now b is holding the 1,000. Guys, if the b is holding the 1,000, the address which he got from this reference variable, finally, guys, what do you think? So this b reference variable start pointing to my entire object. See, one object, multiple reference variable. Now finally, guys, what I will do? B, right now we'll take B reference variable dot operator for the name of the car. I will assign Kia. Similarly, B reference variable dot operator for number of the seat, I will say 7. Similarly, guys, B reference variable dot operator for the cost, I will say 15.76. Now, please try to understand, guys. People are getting the confusion. Here, initially, what I have done? I had created the object. After creating the object, I specified the a reference variable. Right? To the reference variable, a reference variable for the name, number of the seat, the cost. I had assigned the value. Then I printed. Now, here I am taking the another reference variable b. Right? To the same properties, I am assigning the different values. Finally, guys, if I try to print b dot name, b dot number of the seat, b dot cost, finally, guys, my values are going to be replaced old value to the new value. The people are getting what I'm saying for you people, guys. Please try to understand how it happened. It is happened because of you created the one reference variable which initially holding the address of an object and pointing to my entire object. After which, what I have done, guys, see, for my car class, I had created another reference variable, a b. Now, assignment operator right hand side. The address present inside the A reference variable, A reference variable, I am passing to the another reference variable B. See, with the memory point of the way it look, the address present inside the, see, address present inside the A variable, that is 1,000. Guys, you are passing, you are giving to the another reference variable, that is B. Now B is holding the 1,000, the address present inside the A variable. Now finally, guys, B is also start pointing to my this entire object. With help of this B reference variable, I had specified each value to the each properties of the car. Finally, guys, if I print all the values, see, a replay old value replaced with the new value. It is nothing but, guys, it is the process passing, see the passing address present inside the one variable into the another reference variable. So finally, guys, remember, pass by reference means you are passing the address present inside this one variable to the another variable. है. So finally, remember one thing, object in Java, object is one, but to that one object you can have the multiple reference. I hope so, guys, you people are getting what do you mean by the pass by reference. Nothing but you are passing the address present inside the one variable into the another reference variable.